In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. Let's start right inside your web browser. First, open the Google form that you want to connect. You can do this from your Google Drive or by using the direct link to the form. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use, especially if you manage multiple accounts so your form and spreadsheet stay organized in the right place. Once your form is open, look toward the top of the page. You'll see a few tabs, such as Questions and Responses. Go ahead and click on the Responses tab. This is where Google Forms stores all the answers people submit, and it's also where you control how those responses are sent to Google Sheets. On the Responses tab, look for a small green icon that looks like a spreadsheet. That's the Google Sheets icon. If you see it, you can click it directly to start setting up the connection. In some layouts, or if you want more control, you might instead click the three vertical dots, also known as the More Options menu, and then choose Select Destination for Responses. Both paths will take you to the same place. A pop-up window will appear, giving you two main choices. The first option is to create a new spreadsheet. Choose this if you want Google Forms to automatically make a brand new Google Sheet for you. It will usually be named after your form, and inside that spreadsheet, a new tab will be created to store all the responses. This is a great option if you're starting fresh or want a dedicated sheet just for this one form. The second option is to select an existing spreadsheet. Pick this if you already have a Google Sheet where you'd like the responses to go, maybe because you're tracking multiple forms in one file or combining data. When you choose this, you'll be able to browse your Google Drive and select the spreadsheet you prefer. Google Forms will then create a new tab in that existing file specifically for this form's responses, keeping them separate from your other data. After you've chosen whether to create a new spreadsheet or use an existing one, click the button labeled Create or Select, depending on your choice, and then confirm by clicking Insert if prompted. Once that's done, your form is officially connected to Google Sheets and every new response will automatically appear in your spreadsheet.